2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Get a fast and easy price quote today